In this CapCut mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to add a glitch out animation to your text for a bold digital exit. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that matches a glitch style. Bold or block style fonts usually work best because the glitch distortion remains clearly visible. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now, switch to the Out section, which controls how the text disappears. Scroll through the available animations and apply the glitch style exit. As soon as you apply it, you'll see the text distort, shake, and break apart as it leaves the screen. To control the speed of the glitch exit, use the duration slider. Drag the slider to the left for a slower, more dramatic glitch out. Drag the slider to the right for a fast, punchy digital exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing until it perfectly fits your edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a glitch out text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully explained CapCut Mobile text animation tutorials.